there, it's Mary from stampingmary.stampingup.net. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today's project features the Zany Zoo stamp set and dies, along with a new set of dies from the Stampin' Up annual catalogue called the Nested Essential Dies. I've made this cute little gift bag. You've seen me make these before. It's my sort of go-to bag with these little handles which use one of our new dies. This is a very easy bag to make, and I've used the paper from the Zany Zoo suite. A little bit of stamping, a little bit of colouring with our blends. I want to talk a little bit about this die that I've used here, these Nested Essential dies. I've put a link in the description bar below. Here they are here. They are fabulous dies. So I used the largest one and the smallest one to cut out these handles. I'll show you as we get a bit closer into the video. But they're fabulous. These ones, the flag ones, or whatever you want to call these ones, they are double stitched as well. So they're really, it's really great, a really great set of dies. Anyway, let me show you how I made this. So it's a little gift bag with the little handles. Now I've used Bubble Bath and Lemon Lolly, two of our new in colours, and a little bit of blending here, colouring with our Stampin' Blends as well. How cute is this little table, vase and flowers. Oh, sorry, flower. I got the idea for this one from the catalogue. So on page 46, there's this very cute image right here. So that's sort of what I've copied from that one. Our images in the catalogue are used to be, that's what our designers do them for, so we can copy them out. And you'll see there's a little table, vase and a little flower. They are three little tiny dies. There's a little die, there's no stamp, just a die for the table, the vase, and there's a little die here. I can just show it to you right here, and it cuts out three little flowers. They're tiny, so when I cut them out, I obviously lost one of the flowers straight away. But they're beautiful, cute little vase. Such a cute little gift bag, and I do love to make a gift bag. So let's go ahead and let's do a stamping and colouring with blends first, I think, of this. This adorable llama knitting. If you don't want to stamp him out in this designer series paper, you can actually cut him out from using the dies in the set, and it's already coloured for you. So this just gives you, the stamp set gives you options. It's going to bring in a piece of thick basic white and Memento ink. Just moved it over to here, and let's stamp that out. Stamp him down. Or her, sorry, she. Let's stamp her down. She's very cute. And I'm just using Lemon Lolly and Petal Pink for the colours. That's all I'm using for my colouring. Lemon Lolly is, I think, might be my new favourite colour. Let's go in with the light. I'm just going to colour her ears and around here. I'm not going to colour her face in. And around here. Just going to do her little eyelid, give her a little bit of Lemon Lolly eyeshadow. And then continuing with the light, I'm just colouring her in here. Just do her body is in the light colour, Lemon Lolly. And then I'm going to grab my dark Lemon Lolly. I'm going to use the brush tip and just colour in that wool, or her knitting I should say. So you can see straight away, it's, although I haven't used two different colours, it's just that it's nice and dark. Let's colour in her ball of wool as well. I think that's all. Right, now I'm just going to grab my light petal pink. Make sure that is the light one. Yep. And I'm just going to colour her little tiny little weeny legs and her little arms. You could use crumb cake on these as well. I just wanted to keep it minimal with the colours of the blends I was using, and I'm using the dark now to do the back of the chair. Again, go for any colours you like. And then I'm going to use that brush tip. I don't think I did a real good job of, is that light? Yeah, just a bit down there. And with that dark, with the brush tip, I'm just going to, it always goes down darker, that brush tip, and then I'll just blend it out with the bullet nosed end, just to give the bottom of the chair a bit of go. And that's all the colouring for this one. That's all there is to it. I'm going to grab in the die now so we can die cut. There it is there. I'm just going to grab the Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine and die cut that out. Alright, so that's cut out, and these are two pieces I've cut from Bubble Bath, and this is part of the Designer Series paper. I'm just going to back those onto each other. That'll be for our little llama to sit on top of. The paper in the Designer Series for the Zoo Suite, as I've mentioned before, you can cut several of the images out as well. So let's just layer that up there. Let's pop that on with dimensionals. And then we'll go ahead and make the bag. Just finish putting this all together. The bag comes together super easy, super quick, and it just takes half a sheet of 12 by 12 Designer Series paper, so you can get two from one bag. And I do like that. So I'm just going to put this slightly to one side, and I've already gone ahead and die cut the tiny little weeny pieces. So let's put the table on. I die cut the table in petal pink. It's a tiny little thing. Let me just, don't want to put too much ink on there. Yeah, whoops, and I did put too much ink down. Sorry, not ink, Tombow. And that's the little vase, so I'll take a little bit off there. So let's just pop that on. Cute, 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 cute. Now this is the vase I die cut. It's tiny. I die cut it in the Lemon Lolly. For my original sample, the original one, I actually used Parakeet Party, but it wasn't really quite the right colour. I think it looks okay, but let's try and keep these colours. Is that straight? Yeah, that's good. Yep, and then the tiny little weeny little flower. It's a little tulip, I think. Tiny, tiny, very easy to lose. Let's hope we don't lose it. Here we go, and just in there. Here we are. How cute is that? Let's put that to one side and make the bag. All right, so like I said, the paper is 6 inches by 12. Now with this one, I went ahead and did a little bit of colouring. I coloured some of the flowers in. Up to you, you can leave it plain. I'm not going to do it for this sample, but yeah, up to you. So on the what do we do? Let's do the short side first. So pop your paper in. So on the portrait side of this is my scoring tool. All right, I'm going to score at 1.5 on that short side, or portrait, whatever you want to call it. Flip it round to the landscape side, and I'm going to score at 1.5, 5.5, 7, and 11. I've put all the dimensions in the description bar below. And I'm going to grab my bone folder. That's the other side of this paper. I mean, gosh, either side is cute, right? Love, 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 love this paper. Love this whole stamp set. Zany Zoo. Very cute. And one more. All right. And all we're going to do now is on that that 1.5 inch, this smaller edge here, I'm going to cut away the bottom, just wedge that one a little bit, and then we're going to just cut up. We're not going to cut away, we're just cutting up vertical to horizontal, so cutting up our vertical lines up to that score line. So that's what you end up with. I'll just fold them in so you can see. So you've got those tabs, two small tabs. All right, you're going to put some tape down this side of the narrow one, and then fold that over. Okay, that's now the back of the bag, the gift bag. Fold in these two small tabs. That one, and then put some tape down there. You can put tape on those two if you want to. I'm not going to bother that at this stage, but you can. Okay. The Stampin' Seal doesn't want to play ball with me today. Here we go. Here we go. It comes over like that, and that's it. It's made. We'll put the seam at the back. Done. Super cute, right? Super cute. Easy, easy, easy. Now here's our two little handles that I made using the Nested Essentials dies. So let's put a little bit of tape down the bottom of one of them. And then I'm just going to eyeball there to get that straight. I hope that's straight. It looks about right to me. And then for this one, I'm just going to put the two of them together. Okay, I'm going to put some tape on the inside. So this side here is going to adhere in there. Just so that I can get it straight, I'm going to put tape down there. So that's the inside. Put the two of them together so they're lined up. And then bring the bag over to meet the glue. Does that make sense? So it's reasonably even. It's not perfect, but you know, I don't think anyone's really going to notice too much, are they? I hope not. Let's put our cute little embellishment there. Very, very easy to make bag. You don't have to put the handles on. I just do because I just like handles on a big gift bag. So pop them on the front there. Get rid of those dimensionals. And then for the bow, You're Too Wonderful, which is one of the sentiments. I've already gone ahead and stamped that in memento onto a bubble bath. And Lemon Lolly, I mean I love this colour, but I think one of the reasons I love this colour also is that it's lemon lolly. I love lollies, you know, lolly sweets. I know, very easy to I'm just going to staple that together, make it easy. that off. So this is a 3-pack of ribbon. Lemon Lolly, Bubble Bath and Is Your Afternoon is in the 3-pack. If you haven't already got that ribbon, you must get it. It's beautiful ribbon. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay. I'm going to just got my glue dots out. I'm just going to get a couple off here just to attach this. A bit cleaner than using glue. Put that over the side, and then with my little sentiment that I've already cut out. Also, when you cut these nested essentials, you'll get the insert, so you get that piece as well when you've cut it out. So those are pieces of Bubble Bath I'll use for another project. Okay, and then put that there. And this can be a gift for any occasion, to tell someone they are too wonderful. And that is all there is to it. So, gift bag using the very, very cute Zany Zoo suite of products and the Nested Essentials dies. I hope you enjoyed that video. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me, stampingmary@gmail.com. And as I said, I have put a link to all the products in the description bar below. If you click on the links, you'll be taken to my Stampin' Up store. Thank you so much and have a great day.